XRP holders are like that one friend who has been telling you since 2017, bro, trust me, it's about to moon. And somehow they are still waiting. But what if I told you maybe this time they are not crazy? Today we are diving into the most loved and hated coin in crypto history, XRP. Some say it's a banker's coin, some say it's a scam, some say it's going to make them richer than Jeff Bezos' divorce lawyer. So what is the real deal? Let us break it down. XRP is the coin from Ripple Labs. Think of it like Bitcoin's cousin who actually went to college instead of just sitting around. As digital gold, XRP is designed to move money fast. While your bank wire is still asking for your mom's maiden name, XRP already sent the money, got a receipt, and went for lunch. Banks using XRP is like your grandma suddenly getting TikTok famous. It feels weird, but it makes sense. Because banks are dinosaurs, they move slower than Windows updates. XRP is like the cheat code they did not want you to know about. Of course, this is crypto, and no good story is complete without drama. Enter the SEC lawsuit. The US said, "Ripple, you are selling unregistered securities." Ripple said no, are just vibing. For years, they went back and forth like kids fighting over the thermostat. But XRP won a big part of that case. That win made the XRP army scream louder than a DJ Khaled, another one. So why are people obsessed with this coin? It's fast, it's cheap, it partners with actual banks. And because Moonboys love a comeback story, they believe XRP will flip the financial system like a pancake. And if that happens, it will be one expensive pancake. But not everyone loves it. Some say XRP is too centralized. Others say Ripple controls the supply like a crypto vending machine. And some just hate it because the XRP army is louder than a neighbor mowing the lawn at 7 a.m. So will XRP make millionaires? Maybe, maybe not. Crypto is risky. One day it's Lambos, next day it's instant noodles. But XRP is not going away. It survived lawsuits, hate, and memes. And whether you believe in it or not, XRP is like that uninvited guest at the party who still ends up stealing the spotlight. So what do you think? Is XRP the chosen one or just another crypto meme? Drop your thoughts below, like the video, and subscribe. Because in crypto, even your grandma might end up a whale.